Okay, thank you so much. Today was the first video of this channel. I'm gonna try my best to go to Quiapo Church. Which, as you can see, I need to get to the LRT station. I'm trying my best to find it. Wait, let me show you. So I'm here. I'm supposed to go to this place. I'm not sure, but I think I found the LRT station. Yeah, I have to make sure that I find this so I don't get lost. I was about to get lost since in this gateway mall there is two stations. There is actually the MRT and the LRT. I'm planning to go to Quiapo. I have to check the LRT, not the MRT. So I'll definitely keep you posted on how it's going. So I think I found the station. I'll be there in about 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Arriving.
You have no idea how much of a fucking hassle it is to go through the LRT or the MRT or just the transportation system in the whole of Manila. It's actually sometimes can be so crazy. I have to turn right there so I can go to the Quiapo Church. You can hear how it can be so noisy. Oh my god. Yep. This noise. I have no idea how noisy it is here. I genuinely can't hear myself think. And I hope that you can hear me. Shit. Excuse me. Bear with me because this is my first time making a video. And yeah, and it's not gonna be the last.
You're beautiful. And you're mine.
This is the entrance to the Quiapo Church. And of course you will find Jollibee here. Jollibee is everywhere here in the Philippines. of the reasons, it's gonna sound bad, but this is one of the reasons why I dislike Manila. Super crowded. Especially when you come to touristy area, not just touristy area, but famous area, it can tend to get really, really, really crowded. Sometimes you can't even walk. But yeah, so far so good. This is why I started this YouTube channel, so I can maybe travel more. Doing some Torah reading next to a church. Does not make sense, but yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. It's extremely noisy. Excuse me. I tried to look for Chinatown, as you can see. So yeah, let's go find it then. Excuse me, is this the right way to Chinatown? Chinatown.
Chinatown there.
Turn left.
No, not turn left.
Oh,
There is a way. Could be turn left. No?
yeah.
Yeah, could be. But there is another one.
Okay, I can either turn right or left.
Something right.
Huh?
Right or left down.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Right here, then left there, over there.
I'll try this.
Right
Oh,
there. There is an arc over there. There is an arc over there that you can left turn.
okay.
That's Chinatown already.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll try to cross the street again. Thank you. He told me that I will find an arc on the left. Yes, this is. I guess this is the arc. Like before coming here, a lot of Filipino told me how to stay alert. But you know, because as they say, Chinatown can tend to be not safe. But yeah, so far so good. It's safe. The people are nice. It seems cool. A lot of lights, but it's a bit noisy, which I hate. And I guess that's the flaw about Manila. It tends to be noisy. I think at one point I need to get some food. This is the bola bola chicken, no pork. No to pork, of course. It's good, actually good. Need a little bit of hot sauce, but I'm too awkward to ask for it. Hello. You good? You want some? Yeah. I thought that. No. Huh?
How's your food? Delicious.
It is delicious, yeah. I thought that, no,
That a siopaw?
it's bola bola, it's chicken bola bola. Yeah.
Fried? Fried?
Genuinely don't know. Yeah, but I got this. It's, I keep forgetting the name. What is this? I don't know too. Do you want a cheese?
Tawag dun? Dim sum.
Yeah, I guess so. No, it's the chicken gyoza. This is the gyoza.
You want water?
I'll get it in. Do you want a cheese? Are you sure? Yeah, this is soy sauce. Not a big fan of soy sauce. It's gonna sound
Vlogger?
kinda, yeah. Yes.
Channel.
Huh? I think I scared him. Fuck it, suck. Oh, it's not a good idea to, whenever you didn't hear someone, not to yell, ah. Maybe it's bad here in the Philippines, so. Actually good too. Chicken, rice noodles, and like onions and it's really good. I'll try with the soy sauce, even though I'm not a soy sauce fan.
Are you gonna buy?
Super salty with the soy sauce. Bam. This place, Chinarachan. Well, it was good. It was actually good. It was the whole, like the bola bola and gyoza was like 120, I guess. I'm not sure. Either 120 or 130. Well, it was actually nice. Now let the noise begin and let's explore more. Maybe enough food. I will try my best to find the 7-Eleven. I need something to drink. Maybe water. And let's head back to the recto station. So I can get back. Oh yeah, this is a casino, by the way. Hello. Tomorrow I'm planning to go to Tondo. I've been there once. It was actually safe. Like, I don't know why people keep telling me it's a not so safe place, but it is. It is actually safe. I'll go there and then I'll definitely keep you posted. By the way, don't forget to comment. Tell me what I should do and not do. Noises.
He invite you.
Uh-huh.
This one, look, one. He invite you.
Oh, okay. When is this? The February 8th. Okay. Oh, Green Hills.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it near Cuba, right?
2332. Kanan. This prepare is the festival, the competition. Dragon dance. The Chinese New Year is February 16, 17.
Oh?
February 16, 17.
16.
Chinese New Year.
How
Chinatown.
yeah. For, like in China.
February 8, go to the festival, he invite you.
I already took a photo, so I will definitely.
Another one, okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
No, it's. I hope it's.
Pa, mag-atras lang, kapapalo na. I will wait. This one.
Okay. Yeah, February 8th. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. What an amazing people, man. You have no idea how amazing they are. But yeah, I was invited to the Chinese New Year. It's on February 8th. It's on the Green Hill, if I remember correctly. But I'll definitely be there. What an amazing day. First day of family. We went to Quiapo, Chinatown. We ate some bola bola. And I forgot the name of the other dish, but it's nice. Now I'm in a random alleyway in Chinatown, trying to find the rectal station. Yeah. Even though it's dark, safe. Kids playing outside. Nice vibe.